What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para naman ma-notify ka if meron tayong bagong release na video. At ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-Pasaload sa Smart and Talk and Text. And let's start. First step, open nyo na yung messages nyo. Create new message. Send to 808, then enter the recipient number, click space, then enter the amount, then click send, and then reply yes to confirm. And that's it, nakapagpasa na tayo ng load sa Smart. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.